Draw a circle.
Then find a line down the middle. Then
Draw a slash down.
a triangle. Followed by a triangle. Neck.
Ear. Eyes a triangle. Come here.
Triangle eyes.
Eyebrow. Nose. Come here. Follow this line. Mouth. Follow this line.
Lower lip.
Sink in and spit out. Square chin. Refine the ears. Side ears are bigger.
One layer outside. One layer inside.
Hairstyle. Just draw one.
This fork separates.
Draw casually. The direction can be in his direction or in his direction, against him. Here's an OJ brought out.